welcome back to my channel. So those who all are new, then hi, my name is Dhanishta and I make videos related to fashion, styling, haul, room transformation, like everything. And if you find my content interesting, relatable and fun, then please subscribe. This will make me really happy. So are you ready to get back to basics? So as the video title suggests, I am going to talk about some wardrobe essentials in clothing pieces that every girl must have in a wardrobe. As we know, trend comes and go, but these pieces last you long, like forever. And these basics come to the rescue when we have nothing to wear, literally nothing to wear. So come on, let's talk about 12 basic essentials that we must have in a wardrobe. So first wardrobe basic I want to talk about here is a cami top. So this is the cami top that I have, and it is in a scoop neck style and it has this rib knit kind of material. So if you have a cami top, then it will be your go-to staple and you can layer it under anything and everything. And I can say that if you invest in a good cami top, then you have multiple options to style it. So it comes with different styles and fabrics. It totally upon you how you want to take it, like which kind of material you want to invest in and what kind of neckline you like to wear. And if you wear it with your denim and skirts, it will definitely give you polished look and you will look more sophisticated and stylish. So if you want to start off your outfit with a clean slate, then get yourself two basic tees, and that is a black and a white tee. So I have this tee and both in black and white colors. So these has to be your wardrobe basics and it will give you more simple and clean look, and it will goes with anything and everything, and it has to be the most comfortable option that we have. We can style it with our denim look and basic joggers, pants, everything. And of course you have to get it in a cotton fabric, as cotton fabric is considered to be the most breathable and comfortable fabric for summers. And for styling purpose, I would say that you can style it like both the tees in casual way and formal way as well. You can dress it up with your dresses and skirts, and you can dress it down with your joggers, shorts, like everything. And if you want to feel comfortable and yet look stylish, then get yourself black and white tee. It will be your go-to option for summers. So can you guess what is the most timeless and versatile option that we have in a wardrobe? Can you guess? No? Let me tell you. So guys, the most timeless and versatile option has to be the white shirt. White shirt has to be the most versatile option that we have. So let me show you the shirt that I have. I have this button down shirt. You can call it a button down shirt, and it is in a white color. White shirt has to be the most basic thing that we have in a wardrobe. We can use it for casual purpose and work wear as well, and it will give you more bold and feminine look. As you can see, it has this kind of structure which shows cleanliness and emphasize more on the feminine looks. So it has this kind of cuffs, and of course this collar. This is the mandarin collar, and this creates more edgy look. So if you want to go for a brunch, then wear it with your color pop pants, and if you want to go for a work wear, then wear it with your pencil skirts and blazer, and you are good to go. So this wardrobe basics doesn't need no explanation. Still I want to talk about it. So the next thing is a little black dress. You can say LBD, a black dress. So the one that I have is this one, and this is my personal favorite as it is in black color and it is a bodycon dress. Who don't love a black dress? So this is the dress that I have. So guys, this is in a eyelet sort of thing. Here you see is this crisscross thing, and trust me, this is the most essential item that is needed to complete your wardrobe. And you can swap your accessories like shoes and bags, and you can use it for your every occasion, for party and office wear. You can style it accordingly. And that being said, this can be worn with casual, formal and party wear, so you have endless option if you have a little black dress. And next wardrobe basic is a skater dress. And whenever I think about a skater dress, and whenever I see a skater dress, I feel like more cute, girly aesthetic, and it has to be a wardrobe basic. So the skater dress that I have is this one, and Hi Summer Essential. So this is the skater dress that I have. So it is in a satin kind of material, and it has this floral type of prints going on over here, and of course it is very easy breezy kind of dress because it is a skater dress, and it is meant to be worn for a brunch date or a picnic date and for a day out. So you can use your accessories like straw hats, straw bag, and tie up espadrilles. Skater dresses are also come in different kind of material and fabric and prints, and this is up to you like which kind of silhouette and print and of course fabric suits you. So slay in your way. So the next wardrobe basics I want to talk about is jeans, and this has to be your bread and butter. So this is the jeans that I have. So it will give you more structured and taller look. So if you get it in your perfect size and perfect fit, only then it will suit your body type. And of course it is meant to be for every season and every body type. This one that I got is not so basic. So I have this kind of panel going on over here. It is in a leopard print, and this will make more preppy kind of texture to the pants, I can say that. So I have this in a high waist kind of shape, or you can say style. This is the high waist pant. So if you get a high waist jeans or pant, you will definitely look taller, and of course you can pair it up with your basics like white tee and white shirt, and this will give you more effortless and chic look. Alright, so whether it is in a tie knot style, paper bag style, or a pencil style, a black trouser has to be the most foundation piece in a wardrobe, and the one that I have is in a tie knot style. So I have is this one, and this has to be used for a workwear. I guess it has to be used for a workwear only. It will give you more structured and clean look, and you can pair it up with your again white shirt and of course blazer. Black trousers will make you taller, and I have these in this kind of paper bag style I have told you previously. So it has this kind of paper bag style, and it has this tie knot thing over here. You can invest in any style again. It depends on you how you want to wear it and what kind of style suits your body type. So the next wardrobe basic is a skirt, and here I am talking about a pencil skirt. So the pencil skirt that I have is in a denim fabric. So I have this skirt which is in a pencil style, and it is in a denim material. You can get it in any kind of material. So I have this one, and it will give you kind of a structure to your body, and it has this button down thing going on over here. You can wear it with your casuals and formals, and if you wear it with your white tee and white sneakers, it will give you more casual, comfortable and chill look. And if you want to go for a movie date or a casually hanging out with your friends, so you can wear it. And of course a little experiment never hurt anybody, so you can wear it with poppy colors as well and some sort of prints and textures. So yeah, all right, so the next wardrobe basic is pretty basic, and do I have to tell you why it is basic? Let me show you. This is basic thing, that it is a black leggings, or you can say tights, and it is very stretchy, you can see that. So every girl must have this in her wardrobe. You can wear it under your skirts, and of course you can wear it with your flared dresses and of course ethnic kurtis. So you should get a black kind of this stretchy, super stretchy kind of black leggings, and it is pretty basic. I don't need to talk much about it. So let's move on to the next one. So do I really need to explain why we need this? So next wardrobe basic is a shorts. So the one that I have is this one, and it is in a black, black kind of ash black kind of shade, and you can get it in a denim style. It is in a denim fabric, but it is in black color. I am saying you can get it in any color like blue, pink, of course any color. So this is a summer essential wardrobe essential, like everything. And this is the wardrobe basics which goes with everything. And yes, you can wear it with your, alternate top, white t-shirt, black t-shirt, and kind of, cinch top, like everything. And if you want to beat the heat of summer and want to go on a vacation, then get this and get those, chill and vacation vibes. And of course, you can style it with anything. Of course, you can style it with bralette as well. So guys, do you want to meet easiest piece of clothing when you have nothing to wear and you don't feel like wearing anything? So the easiest piece of clothing is this, and it is a jumpsuit. So guys, this is called an overall. Overall means you have, one outfit all together. So of course, this is the easiest, way to style it. You can wear it with your, basic tees, and of course with hats and caps and sneakers. So you can pull any look very effortlessly. And of course, if you don't feel like dressing up, get this and wear it and you are good to go. So here we come to an end. So last piece of, wardrobe essential that we are left with is a cover up, or you can say shrug. I have is this kind of cover up. So this is, in a crochet material, crochet style. You can get it in silk fabric, satin fabric, any sort of print, color, tie knot, and of course any color, any print, any fabric again. So I have this one, and you can use it for easy breezy look, and of course for vacation. Oversize is the most comfortable shrug, or you can say cover up, that we can wear in summer to beat the heat, and it covers you with the, direct exposure of sunlight as well. So this is the, best option, and this is the wardrobe basic again. So that comes to an end. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope this video helps you in some way to build your wardrobe strong and get those 12 items of clothing pieces that are pretty basic. And I hope you like this video. Please like it, and if you kind of relate to my content, please subscribe, and if you want to share it, then share it. All the good things. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.